Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Garmin 430 GPS. First, locate the power button on the lower left of the unit and press it to turn on the device. Observe the self-test sequence, which typically takes about 30 seconds. Then, use the inner and outer knobs on the right to navigate through the initial setup screens, confirming the current date and time. This ensures your unit is ready for accurate navigation. To begin basic navigation, press the Direct to button, then use the concentric knobs to input your desired destination identifier. Press Enter twice to activate the course. For custom waypoints, navigate to the Waypoint page, select User Waypoint, and input the coordinates or a reference point. Save it, and then you can select it from your flight plan for easy navigation, ensuring precise tracking to your chosen location. Creating a flight plan involves pressing the FPL button and adding waypoints sequentially using the knobs. To load an instrument approach, select the destination airport in your flight plan, then choose Proc and select the desired approach from the list. Activate it, and the Garmin 430 will guide you. If you need to modify your route mid-flight, simply use the FPL page to insert or delete waypoints as needed, maintaining flexibility. The nearest function, accessed via its dedicated button, quickly displays nearby airports, VOR, and other facilities, crucial for unexpected diversions. If your unit has a data link, you can access weather information by navigating to the WX page, providing real-time updates on conditions. Remember to regularly update your navigation database, typically every 28 days, by inserting a new data card. This ensures you always have the most current and accurate information for safe flying.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.